Welcome to CloudForce Training Institute. In this session, we will discuss about how to launch the EC2 mission without a key pair. To launch the EC2 mission without key pair, there are some prerequisites. Those are SSM Agent we need to install using user data while launching the EC2 instance itself, and we have to attach the IAM role, and we have to modify the security groups. We need to allow some ports there. We'll see practically now. Go to the EC2 console, click on the launch instances, give the name and select the OS. Here select the proceed without a key pair. Here allow HTTPS from the internet and a HTTP from the internet. In the advanced details, we have to attach the IAM instance profile. So for that, we have to create the IAM role. Go to the IAM section, click on new tab, click on the roles and create the roles. Select the service EC2. For this, we have to give the SSM permission. This is the policy we have to attach to the role. Select it. Next. Give name like this and create a role. And go to the EC2 dashboard and just refresh it. And select this one, IAM role. And go to the user data. We have to install the SSM agent. I have the script in handy. I have copy pasted the script and launch the instance. Once status check is completed, you can click on the connect. You will have the SSM Session Manager. You must see the ping status online and Session Manager connection in status should be connected, and click on the connect. Now we are able to connect the server. You can do the any operation here. So like this, you can log in the EC2 mission without key pair. Hope this information is helpful. Please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next session, guys. Thank you.